My name's Peter Johnson. I've been involved with IT for 20 years and did a Bachelor of Information Technology all the way back in 1995. And for my sins, I've been involved with a number of different organisations over the last 20 years. My path to IT was somewhat different. By no means am I a fantastic coder and programmer, and I sort of found that out very early on in my degree. But what I did have the ability and the knack for was to drive business change. And out of that, we're able to employ a number of different people over the years who were smarter and quicker than I ever would be. But my business acumen really held me in good stead for the future within the IT. Look, I think one of the values that Griffith University provide the industry is the ability with their graduates to come out with a well-grounded and well-nurtured program. So part of what I look for out of Griffith University, more so than the other universities, is the fact that Griffith have individuals that do work hard, and you put them in a team environment, and we see this constantly, is that they are able to work better in that team than the individuals. So IT is all around team, all right? We're an enabler, all right? We're not an industry that works by itself. We enable banking, we enable health, we enable insurance. If they don't know the answer to a question, they've got the ability, and their abilities and around their research. And that's really the driver that I think is a major differentiator in the marketplace for Griffith. One of the challenges I think science and IT have across the board is the ability to collaborate. You've still got government, both federal and state and even local government, telling people that we own the data when they don't. They're public servants. The data is provided by industry. I think it's a fantastic opportunity for universities also to partner up with industry. Both master's levels, PhD levels, doctorate levels. There's still that whole challenge, in my view. I mean, big data is a buzzword at the moment, and we talk about use of big data and big data information. And I think there's another 10 to 15 years worth of work there. Obviously the advent of the smartphone and the workplace is changing dramatically. So the smartphones really haven't been used in industry and work environment yet. It's still a toy that we use to make a call, and just you see now a lot of the organisations starting to filter that through their Android, through their iPhone, through their Google apps, things like that. So, the challenge will be, in my view, the fact that there's still that collaborative approach that's required, and people are still taking ownership of their own information and not sharing that. I think university's got a fantastic opportunity as well with the industry engagement. I think, especially the IT sector, it is still the wealthiest. They're still the wealthiest people in the world. Right? You're going to go on the top 100 rich list. The majority of them are IT people. And you can make a generation or two or three generations worth of wealth, if you're lucky, with one product. But even then, if that's not the driver, you can actually involve yourself with industry and make a very good living for the whole of your working life. And it's become that stage now.